Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Wolicity, which is an Amazon brand, their apple green sweater. Neckline, tight but comfortable, and it's quite nice, long ribbed, off the shoulder. The long tapered sleeve, a little bit on the shorter side. So it's not quite a crop, but it's not like long, so just fits right above the belt, I would say. So even though they're called Wolicity, it's actually not made of wool. I'm actually allergic to wool, so this is actually 62% acrylic, 28% polyamide, 8% wool, and 2% elastane. I'll just have to wear something inside of it, like a long sleeve, so I don't get itchy. So you see a normal shirt goes down to right here. My pelvic is like right here. It goes above that. Here's the neckline. Here's the sleeve. Here's what the back looks like. So if you're allergic to wool, it's not necessarily recommended. Of course, it's only 8% wool, so it's totally bearable. I just feel a little bit itchy, but it's not like out of this world. Anyways, for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, let me know what you think about this apple green sweater. And if you would like to purchase it, it's in the link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.